move on. Straight up, move on. Forget them. They are lying and they are untrustworthy. So move on. Sometimes this can be hard, especially if they've somehow tied themselves into your life, especially like, for instance, you get the kids involved in a divorce scenario. You can't move on, but you have to mentally move on. You have to emotionally detach from that human. And I get it, man. I know you're gonna have some moments, but the fact that you trusted them, the fact that you had that relationship, that's even more reason to walk away. That person is not who you thought they were.
If you get it in your heart, it will hinder your vision. If things are shutting down, the first thing I want you to do is check your heart. What have you allowed to get in your heart that has closed down your vision?
The idea that this person was a trustworthy, faithful companion is not true. It is not true. That person does not exist. They didn't exist and they don't exist. It was in your head. It was in your head that this person was trustworthy and they were everything you wanted them to be and they were a faithful companion. That is a lie. They are not that person. They have proved it. They've proved it by their actions. So move on, and at the risk of sounding callous, get over it. Get over it. Do not dwell on what it was. And don't dwell on what it could have been. You hear when guys go through bad breakups? You know, I thought we were gonna, it's like, no, don't dwell on that. Deal with what it is right now, what that person is. Deal with reality, accept reality, and be thankful for reality. Be thankful that you were able to learn before you invested more into this person. Be thankful that you found out when you did that this person was a liar, that this person was unfaithful, was untrustworthy. Be thankful that you know it, and you know it now instead of later.
Sometimes the breakup is actually the blessing. There was nothing so great about her that you would want that again.
Recognize that there's plenty of people out there in the world that are trustworthy and that are faithful, good people. They're out there.
Sometimes, man, in your quest as men, we kind of stupid and we miss what's right in front of us because we're so busy hurting from what we don't have and trying to figure out what we could have. But she could be right over there in the bed next to you.
Those feelings, they're temporary, so let them say hi. Let them hang around for a minute or for half an hour or an hour or whatever, and then kick them out.
Get out of your feelings. Get out of your feelings. Get out of your feelings. The enemy's been trying to contaminate you. He's always talking to you about how you feel about it. It doesn't matter how you feel about it. The only thing that matters is what you believe about it. I want you to turn and loose what you believe.
She is not the perfect person that you built in your mind, period. She's not. Otherwise, we wouldn't be in this situation right now. And then move on, brother. Get after it, work out, train hard, go to jujitsu, hike, run, play guitar, just get after it. And those things, not only are going to distract you from the pain, which is good, they're going to improve you as a human being, which is good, and they're going to rebuild your confidence, which is good. They're going to make you feel good. They're going to make you stronger and smarter and better and put you into a place where you don't need that little made-up fantasy anymore. And they're going to put you in a place where you're going to find something better than the fantasy.